We have been talking so much about our loved ones in the past sessions, you know, being there. And today is one more session when we say that to build our relationships, to make our relationships stronger, we should be present in the relationships. And please raise your hand if this sounds familiar to you, that you are having dinner with your family, but your mind is scrolling through Instagram, or your best friend is telling you about her heartbreak, but you are mentally planning tomorrow's outfit, or your mother is sharing her day, but you are calculating how many episodes of your favorite series you can binge tonight, right? So let me see how many have undergone this phase. Thank you. Thank you, Kamraji. So this is what happens. We are physically present, but emotionally, we have checked out. And here's the thing: presence is the glue that holds relationships together. Without it, love becomes a ghost. Let me tell you about a female, she's 17-year-old from Delhi, who complained that her mother never understands her. But when I asked her to describe their last conversation, she said, well, mommy was talking about her office stress while I was doing my homework. And I was just saying, okay, without really listening. Sounds familiar? Hmm. So, presence isn't just about being in the same room, it's about showing up with your whole self, your attention, your emotions, your curiosity. And it's the difference between hearing and listening, between looking and seeing. Think about it. When your grandmom tells you stories about your childhood for the hundredth time, are you rolling your eyes internally, or are you noticing the way her face lights up? When your younger sibling interrupts your study session, are you snapping at them, or are you remembering that they just want to connect with their big sister? So, true presence means putting down the armor of our busy minds and picking up the gift of genuine attention. And our mentor, Mr. Imran, has said it in his sessions number of times that we should be listening not only from our ears but from our eyes too, because eyes communicate. And here's what we don't realize: our relationships are paying a steep price for our scattered attention. Meera, a 23-year-old from Mumbai, told me her boyfriend broke up with her because he felt like he was dating a phone, not her. Harsh. Maybe, but true. Absolutely. We have become experts at multitasking everything except the one thing that matters most: human connection. We are liking posts about friendship while ignoring the friend sitting right next to us. We are sharing quotes about family love while half listening to our parents at the dinner table. And here's the cruel irony: the more we try to stay connected to everyone through our devices, the more disconnected we become from people who matter most. Think about it. What is going on in your own lives? Your teenage cousin doesn't need you to solve her problems. She needs you to be fully present when she shares them. Your mother doesn't need a perfect daughter. She needs one who looks up from a phone when she's speaking. And sometime, all of us make such mistakes. Let me share a beautiful story. Kavya, a working mother from Bengaluru, used to feel guilty about not spending enough time with her 8-year-old daughter due to her demanding job. Now she decided to try something different. Instead of quantity, she focused on quality. Every evening for just 15 minutes, she would sit with her daughter with zero distractions. No phone, no TV, no mental to do list. Just pure, undivided attention. They would talk, play, or simply be together. Her daughter later told her teacher, "My mom is the best listener in the world." Just 15 minutes of presence had more impact than hours of distracted time. So, this is the magic of mindful relationships. It's not about being available 24 by 7, it's about being completely available when you choose to be. So, when you are with your best friend, be with her. When your father shares his day, don't just wait for your turn to speak. Truly hear him. So when your partner is excited about something, let their joy become yours, even if it's about something that doesn't particularly interest you. So here's a beautiful truth: people don't remember the longest conversations you had with them, but they remember the moments when you made them fully, completely seen and heard. So, how do we cultivate this presence? So let me tell you, it's very, very simple. So, it starts with the simple but powerful question: how can I be fully here for this moment and this person? So, here's your challenge for today: choose one conversation, just one. It could be with your mom while she's cooking, with your friend during lunch break, or with your sibling before bed. But before that conversation begins, take a deep breath, make a conscious choice to be completely present. Put your phone away, not just on silent, but physically away. Look into their eyes. Listen not just to their words, but to their emotions. Mirror their energy. If they're excited, let yourself feel that excitement with them. And ask yourself, what is this person really trying to tell me? What do they need from me right now? Or how can I make them feel valued and heard? So here's the most beautiful part about presence: it's contagious. When you show up fully for someone, you give them permission to show up fully too. You create sacred spaces where real connection can happen, where love can be felt, not just said. Your relationships are not just connections, they're mirrors that reflect who you choose to be in this world. And the most beautiful version of yourself is the one that shows up completely, authentically, and presently for the people you love. So go ahead, be the person who makes others feel like they are the only person in the room when they are with you. Be the friend, daughter, sister, or partner who doesn't just exist in the relationships, but who breathes life into them. The world needs more people who are truly present. So decide, will you be one of them? And remember, today, when talking to a loved one, put away your phone and mirror their energy and ask yourself, how can I be fully here for this moment and this person? And with that note, thank you. Thank you, everyone, for being here today. Thank you.